Hey everybody, Robot here, Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So say you have this beautiful folding rear rack on your Vespa GTS. Either comes factory if you have a touring model or the older generations of the GTS. Some of the models of the GTV also include it, or you added this specific rack, so a GTS 24 PA on the Scooter West web store. You don't want to add a top case, but you do want to add a classic style backrest pad. Well, Cuppini's got you covered. Not only is it a classic style, they've been selling this for quite a long time, ever since the original GTS 250 came out around in 2006. So GTS 22 CP is the Scooter West part number for this classic style, I guess you can call it a sissy bar. So it includes the hardware and specifically engineered to work with this rack. We have sold them to other people, and I've seen them jerry-rigged onto other styles of racks. I'm not gonna cover that today. Kind of gotta use your own imagination if you're gonna do that. So first of all, you got a basic instruction right here. It's a backrest adaptable to the original Piaggio rear carrier for the GTS. Includes a pair of clamps, and it kind of sandwiches in there. There's a pair of screws we need to remove. Includes a set of clamps and some longer screws that go through the whole setup. So, all right, so first things first, we'll go ahead and remove these two fasteners right here. So, using a 4mm Allen, make sure it's a really tight fit, because it's pretty easy to strip these out. And if you're having any difficulty with them, you may want to soak both the fasteners with some penetrative fluid or even just WD-40. Go ahead and remove those screws. This is a nice new one, so there's no rust in there. Sometimes you have a little friction removing them. If that's the case, you want to probably loosen those too, so everything's a little bit loose. All right, so go ahead and locate these two longer M5 Allen screws. Put those larger size thick washers, just have them ready to go. I have the clamp so the rack folds down. You can see that little rubber bump right there. So the way this installs is kind of open up the rack, hold that in place. Get those both started. You'll need a 5mm Allen. Kind of get it centered. There's a little bit of adjustability with those slots. A couple turns here, so this is tight. Again, with accessories, you probably want to come back after you ride it 100 miles or so, make sure everything's tight. And once you have that installed, go ahead and fix the rack in the lower position. You can use the clip if you still have that. Then there's these pair of clamps right here. So the way these work is you go ahead and open them up. And it kind of tightens everything up just like that. It's going to be a pair of these clamps here. And it takes a little bit of work to kind of get them over. You may need to bend them just ever so slightly. Just like that. And the last of your hardware right here is some 6mm bolts and some washers right here. So typically I'll go from the back side to the front, push that through, get a flat washer, and start it by hand. You need to push it together a little bit, or have somebody help you, or squeeze it with a a clamp. There we go. Pretty much repeat. And then go ahead and take a 10mm socket, and you can use a combination wrench, tighten these down. You don't need to tighten them too tight, it's just enough to hold it all in place. And you have a nice sturdy backrest pad for your passenger. Kind of gives it that classic look, a little different. Pretty inexpensive accessory to add to your existing folding rear rack. So you can still fix the rack in an upper position, and you have just enough room to kind of slip that clip right in there. And pretty straightforward installation. There's Velcro under here. The reason you may want to take this off, you may want to take this to a upholstery shop and have them custom upholster this, or you can even embroider or sew a patch back there if you want to, you know, display your scooter club. So there's some kind of ideas to add to this backrest pad if you wanted to. So hope you liked the video. Something I haven't featured ever on the YouTube channel, something we've sold for 20 years now. Still works on the latest GTS 310 here. So thanks for watching. Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. I'll see you on the next one. Next video, I'm going to show you how to put the factory new generation top case on this rack.